Now, before I start with this session, I like to give my brief introduction. My name is Manish Sachdev. By profession, I am a trainer. I take training sessions on CFA Level 1 program and on technical analysis. In my training career, I got opportunity to work with BSc Institute Limited and with ITM Group of Institution. With BSc Institute Limited, I took training sessions on investment banking program, and with ITM Group of Institution, I took sessions on technical analysis for MBA students. Now, guys, this is our trading uh, course content. We teach 5 topics to traders, including options strategies. See, in this session, what I will do, I will share one intraday trading setup with all of you so that you can trade Nifty, Bank Nifty in intraday. Even you can trade in stocks. The name of setup is Master Candle Setup. So without wasting any time, let's directly start with Master Candle Setup. Let me give you the very quick introduction now, what exactly Master Candle is. Now here is the definition of master candle on your screen. See, a candle is known as master or mother candle when its high and low covers at least next 3 to 4 candles high and low. Now guys, to explain this definition, I have a master candle image with me. Look at this big bullish candle. Now here what I have done, I have taken one horizontal line at the high of this candle. Okay, one horizontal line you can see at the low of this candle. Now look at the next 4 candles. You will find next 4 candles are inside this big bullish candle. Now when you see all these 4 candles very carefully, you will find they are very small in size. Okay, therefore we can say these all are baby candles. And this candle is known as mother candle or master candle because this candle is covering next 4 baby candles. So remember guys, in order to call this candle as a mother candle or master candle, minimum, I will say minimum next 3 baby candles must fall inside this candle. Okay, then only we will say yes, this is master candle. Now when we are trading Nifty or Bank Nifty, see, we want very first candle on 15 minutes time frame as a master candle. Now this is the strict rule you guys have to follow. Time frame will be 1 5 15 minutes. On 15 minutes time frame, the first candle of the day should be master candle. How you will come to know the first candle of the day is master candle? See, you will come to know by 10:15. Trading begin from 9:15. So from 9:15 till 10:15 in this 1 hour of duration, okay, you will have total 4 candles on graph. Now let's assume this candle start at 9:15. So this will complete by 9:30. This will start at 9:30. So this will complete by 9:45. This candle start at 9:45. It will complete by 10. And finally this candle start at 10. So this will complete by 10:15. See, from 9:15 till 10:15, we have total 4 candles. Now, if next 3 candles are falling inside first candle, this means we are having master candle setup. Now, let's see how we can take a trade, okay, based on this setup. See, price is moving inside master candle. Price is unable to break master candle high. Price is unable to break master candle low. Price is just moving inside master candle. Okay, this is called as consolidation. We will initiate a trade once price break master candle high or master candle low. If price break master candle high, we can go for long trade, stop loss master candle low. If price break master candle low, you can go for short trade, stop loss master candle high. Now let's talk about target. What can be the target? See, for target, we need to calculate entire candle range. How to calculate range of any candle? High minus low. Master candle high minus master candle low will give you master candle range. Now let's assume 100 rupees is the high, 90 is the low. So 100 minus 90, the range will be 10 points in this case. If price break 100 on upside, your target will be 110. Master candle high plus master candle range is your target. Master candle high 100, range we got 10 points. So 100 plus 10, 110 is your target. In the same way, if price break 90 on downside, target will be 80. Master candle low minus master candle range is your target. Master candle low 90, range we got 10 points. 90 minus 10, 80 is your target for short trade. So guys, this is how you need to trade this master candle setup. Any doubts till now, you can ask in chat box, I will answer. If concept is clear to you, I will request, please type clear in chat box so that we can move ahead. Okay. Yes, Mr. Ayan, this is for intraday. Gaurav, in coming slides, you will get the idea about risk reward setup. Okay, let's move ahead now. See, this was all about theory. Now let me show you some real life examples. Okay, based on this setup, it will give you more clear idea. Yes, Nishan, this is what I'm doing now. See, this is Bank Nifty. Time frame, you can check 1 5 15 minutes time frame. Just look at the first candle of the day. Now look at the next three candles. You can see next three candles are inside first candle. So yes, you can say now this is master candle. Once you know that first candle is master candle, calculate the range. How you will calculate range? High minus low. Now when you do this calculation, high minus low, you will get range 248 points in this example. This means after market opening, in very first 15 minutes, we got 248 points move in Bank Nifty. See, second candle high is crossing first candle. So that's completely okay. Just wick is crossing slightly. The real body is completely inside. So this means after market opening, guys, in very first 15 minutes, we got 248 points move in Bank Nifty. See what happened after that. Price was just moving inside master candle. These all are baby candles. So this was consolidation phase. And finally, you can see we got breakout. Now we want breakout on closing basis. So wait for candle to get close. Okay, do not take entry in running candle. See, this candle break and close above master candle high. So yes, we can say this is breakout candle. We will take long trade once this breakout candle will close. Now what will be the target? Your target will be master candle high plus master candle range 21221 plus 248 points. Okay, 21469 is your target, which was achieved in this candle. So this was two candles trade after breakout. Now let me count the number of baby candles for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, we have 15 baby candles inside master candle. Now every candle has duration of 15 minutes. So when you do 15 into 15, this was 225 minutes long consolidation and finally breakout in 16 candle. So guys, I can say this was healthy consolidation. By healthy consolidation, I mean from morning till almost 1:30 or 2 p.m. Price was just moving inside master candle. Now, whenever you notice this kind of consolidation, okay, this is known as healthy consolidation. And I have seen breakouts, breakdowns works really well after healthy consolidation. So as a trader, if you wish to practice this setup in live market, make sure master candle should have healthy consolidation. Then only you should go for trade. Now, another important point you can note down is gap area. On this day, Bank Nifty opened gap up. Opening was above PDH, that is previous day high, and we got master candle formation. Now, whenever you notice master candle formation after gap up or gap down opening, again you can go for a trade. Very high chances trade can work in your favor. So as a trader, you don't have to trade each and every master candle coming in your way. Okay, you need to filter out which master candle you will trade, which master candle you can avoid. So these 2 points will help you. Point number one, look for healthy consolidation. Point number two, look for gap up, gap down opening. Even if you are meeting any 1 point out of two, you can take a trade. See, in this example, we are meeting both the points. We got healthy consolidation. We also got gap up opening. Now let's discuss stop loss. While explaining theory, I told you when you are going for a long trade, okay, your stop loss should be master candle low. But now we can refine this stop loss to improve risk reward ratio. We will not keep master candle low as our stop loss. We can refine it to improve risk reward ratio. This is the same graph bank nifty which we just discussed now. In this slide, I will discuss stop loss, how to decide stop loss. So this was master candle. So this is the strict rule, guys. First candle has to be master candle, always. So this is master candle. After that, you can see price came down. Look at the low of this candle, 20,975. From here, you can see price went up and fall in two candles. Look at the low of this candle, 21,077. Now, guys, this low will be termed as higher low. See, this value is more than previous low. From here, you can see again price went up, again it fall in two candles. Look at the low of this candle, 21,127. Now, this is the new higher low. After this candle, price went completely sideways. Low of this candle, 21,124. Now these two values you can see they are almost same. And finally breakout. Breakout candle closed at 21,281. So guys, take long entry here and keep stop loss 21,124. So guys, point to note down here is when we are going for a long trade, our stop loss will be higher low. See, this was initial low. This became higher low. Now this is the new higher low. So this is your entry 21,281. This is the stop loss 21,124. And this is the target 21,469. So this is your complete setup to trade in index. And now you can easily calculate risk reward ratio. So entry minus stop loss, this is your risk, and target minus entry. Okay, this is the reward. So guys, please remember for all long trades, what you can do, you can keep higher low as your stop loss. Now next, I have Nifty example to show you on 15 minutes time frame 1-5. Now look at this big bullish candle. Now look at the next three candles. See, next three candles are completely inside this candle. So yes, now we can say this is master candle. Now calculate the range, high minus low. Range this time in Nifty is 72 points. So this was consolidation. See, these all are baby candles. And finally, we got big breakdown. Now by looking at breakdown candle, you can say bears are active. This is very strong bearish candle. So at the time of breakout or breakdown, we want strong candle. It should look like a convincing breakout or breakdown. Short trade is triggered. This candle break and close below master candle low. So guys, target will be 9089 minus 72 points. Okay, 9017 target achieved in this candle. So this was 4 candles trade after breakdown. Now let me show you where you can place stop loss when we are going for a short trade. So this was master candle in Nifty. Initially, you can see Nifty went up, made a high 9156. From here, you can see price came down up to this candle. Again, it went up slowly and gradually, made a new high 9113. But this time you can see it is lower high. See, this value is less than previous high. And finally, we got big breakdown. Breakdown candle closed at 9067. So take short entry here and keep stop loss 9113. So guys, point to note down here is when we are going for a short trade, our stop loss should be lower high. See, for long trade, it was higher low. For short trade, it will be lower high. So this is entry 9067, stop loss 9113, and target 9017. So please remember, for all short trades, you can keep lower high as your stop loss. Okay, Mr. Rohit is asking what will we do if second candle break first master candle high. See, if second candle break first candle high, then it is no longer master candle setup. Okay, we want minimum next three candles inside first candle. Okay, then only we will say this is master candle. Otherwise, no setup. Now, guys, this is a very interesting slide to show you. Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. Look at this big bullish candle. This is master candle. And see what happened after that. Throughout the day, price was sideways. So no trading opportunity on day like this. See, till last candle, price is moving inside master candle. So no trading opportunity on this day. Okay, one more time, Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. Look at the first candle. This is big bearish candle. This is master candle. Range, you can see this time high minus low range, you will get 77 points. Now note down one important point, this gap area. See, on this day, Nifty opened gap down. Opening was below PDL, that is previous day low. And look at the consolidation. We got healthy consolidation. See, up to 2 p.m., price is just moving inside master candle. I like to see such consolidation before I go for a trade, because breakouts, breakdowns works well after healthy consolidation. So from morning 9:15 till 2 p.m., you can see Nifty is completely flat, range bound, no major action. And look at the candle formation. Very small, tiny baby candles you can see. This is clear sign of consolidation going on. And finally, after 2 p.m., we got breakdown and 77 points move we got on downside. Okay, Gaurav, see, I will advise you trade futures. In case if you wish to trade options as per this setup, okay, you need to go for ATM option, at the money option. So if you are getting breakdown below 11,923, here you can go for 11,900 put option. Now guys, apart from index, see, you can also apply this setup in stocks. I have a price graph of Indigo, 15 minutes time frame, 1-5. First candle, you can notice this is master candle, range 42 points. Look at the consolidation, healthy consolidation. Guys, even for stocks, okay, healthy consolidation is must. See, up to 2 p.m., Indigo is just moving inside master candle. These all are baby candles. After 2 p.m., we got breakout. After that, we got target in two candles. Next day, you can see we got same setup. 1152 high, 1125 low, range 27 points. Consolidation breakout, we got target in two candles. Now same setup you can notice in PVR. See, this is master candle. This is consolidation. In fact, healthy consolidation. Up to 2 p.m., PVR is inside master candle. And look at the big breakout. By looking at breakout candle, you can say now bulls are active. Now, before this big breakout candle, look at the candle size. Small, tiny baby candles. And look at this candle size. Finally, after breakout, we got target in three candles. So this was 45 minutes trade after breakout. Now this is Wipro on 15 minutes time frame. Date you can notice at bottom 21, 22, 23. Now you guys try to identify on which date can you see master candle setup out of 21, 22, 23. Okay, please type in chat box. I will request everyone. Let me see if you can identify this setup on graph now. In Wipro, out of 21, 22, 23, on which date can you see master candle setup? 23 is perfect. So this was first candle, and three candles you can see they are inside. So this was consolidation phase. After that, big breakdown and fall. Okay, on 22 we cannot see any setup on 22. So this was the first candle, big bearish candle. Next candle you can see it break first candle low. So this cannot be the setup on 22. Only 23 we have. This is Nifty 15 minutes time frame. Date you can see at bottom again, 23, 24, 25. Now again guys, try to identify on which date can you see out of 23, 24, 25. Mr. Gaurav, just we are trying to see if everyone can spot 23. It's up to you. If you wish to trade, you can, but there was no healthy consolidation. Perfect. On 24. We will note down 1 to 2 important point on 24. It will help you in understanding the psychology behind the trade. Yes, about Wipro only I told you. So let's go back to Wipro. 23. I cannot see healthy consolidation. If you wish, you can trade, but I personally prefer healthy consolidation. So we will note down 1 to 2 important point in Nifty 24. See, on this day, what happened? We got slightly gap down opening. See, on previous day, this candle made low. So this was PDL. And today we got gap down opening, slightly gap down opening. And look at the first candle. As a trader, you should always learn how to read first candle. It will help you to understand the psychology. First candle is big bearish candle without upper shadow. Okay, this means open equal to high. So we got gap down opening and then open equal to high. Both these points indicates weakness. Next, you can see three baby candles inside, finally breakdown and one side move in the counter. This is Voltas. Look at this big bullish candle. This is master candle. Now many traders might have gone trapped in this candle itself. We got complete reversal from second candle. Now as per master candle rules, okay, we can take short trade here once this candle gets closed, and after that you can see we got one side move. That's what I told you, Gaurav. If you wish, you can go for, I personally prefer healthy consolidation. Right now we are just trying to see if everyone can spot the setup. Okay, this is LIC Housing Finance. This is big bullish candle. After that again you can see we got complete reversal. This is ditto like Voltas, which we have seen. This is Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. You can see this is master candle. Now look at the consolidation. Can we say guys this is healthy consolidation? Yes, no? Okay, is this looking like healthy consolidation? From morning till 2 p.m. Again you can see Nifty is completely flat. Now whenever you find, markets are completely sideways, range bound from morning till 2 p.m. Okay, very high chances after 2 p.m. you will get a trending move either on upside or on downside. Around 1:30 European markets open, sentiments again change one more time during the day. So the probability of trending move is very, very high after 2 p.m. if index is completely range bound up to 2 p.m. So here you can see after 2 p.m. we got higher highs in Nifty. 15 minutes. Okay, we will always look for this setup on 15 minutes time frame. So guys, tell me how this session is going on. Are you getting something new to learn in this session? Okay, great. Thank you guys for your replies. Now let's move ahead. Let's continue this session for another 10 to 15 minutes. See, this was all about intraday. Now, if you wish, you can also do swing trading setup. Sorry, if you wish, you can also do swing trading as per this setup. Now you can look for master candle setup on daily time frame, but only for stocks, not for index. So if you wish to practice this setup in index, okay, you need to work on 15 minutes time frame, 1 5. For stocks, you can also practice swing trading on daily time frame. Let me show you some examples on daily time frame. This is price graph of NIIT Technologies. Now here you can see we have a big bullish candle, and after that you can see price went completely flat sideways for few days. Okay, this is daily time frame. And finally you can see we got breakout, and then one side move we got. So on daily time frame, sometimes it is possible you can make more bigger profit compared to what you can make on intraday time frame. Now let's see how we can take a trade on daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can take a trade in cash segment. The best part of trading in cash segment is you can decide how many shares you like to buy. Okay, you can buy 10 shares, 50 shares, 100 shares. It completely up to you based on your risk taking capacity. You can calculate position sizing and that many number of shares you can buy. Now another option you have, you can go long in call option. But this is positional trade, so I will not advise you to buy naked call. You can always protect your position, you can hedge your position. You can design option strategy instead of going uh, naked call option. You can go for option strategy. Which option strategy you can design? You can design bull call spread. Because your view is bullish, you can use call option to design bullish strategy. So the name will be bull call spread. Now instead of call option, you can also use put option and design bullish strategy. So the name of strategy will be bull put spread in that case if you are using put option. Now, what is the difference between bull call spread, bull put spread? See, bull call spread is from option buyer point of view. If you wish to take advantage of this one side directional move, okay, you can go for bull call spread. Option sellers are in market to earn theta decay because options are depreciating assets. With passage of time, call option premium, put option premium decrease, which is known as theta decay. So if you wish to earn theta decay, you can go for bull put spread. Okay, bull put spread is from option seller point of view. Now here is the another example, McDowell. This was the downtrend, a beautiful downtrend in McDowell, and then big breakout. Now, even after this big breakout, you can see there is no follow from price. Price is just moving inside breakout candle. Now, just imagine what will happen to those traders who have bought call option. Definitely, they will not make profit. As I told you, options are depreciating assets. With passage of time, if you are not getting any follow, if underlying is not moving in your favor, then call premium will decrease. See, I can see these are the 8 candles. For next 8 trading session, there was no follow-up even after this big breakout. The point is how we can predict even after this big breakout, there won't be any follow-up from price. Okay, you can easily predict this with the help of very simple concept. You can note down somewhere if you wish. This is very important. It will help you in live market. See, on the day of breakout, when you find that stock price is already up by 8 to 10 percentage or even more than 10 percentage, do not take any trade on that day. Okay, I like to repeat here. If stock price is already up by 8 to 10 percentage or even more than 10 percentage, okay, do not take any trade on that day. You can cross check this fact. See, on this day McDowell opened at 600. It made a high above 660 and finally it closed nearby 660. So this move was from 600 to 660. This is exact 10% move. Now 10% in one trading session is overextended. Therefore, very high chances we won't get any follow-up after this big move. And see what happened. Price was just moving inside this breakout candle. So this breakout candle became master candle, and these all candles became baby candles. And finally here you got breakout and then one side move. So here you can enter, you can design bull call spread on this day, or you can design bull put spread on this day. Okay. Okay. Tell me guys how it is now. Am I audible? Can you hear me now? Yes, that I will repeat, but first please confirm is voice is clear now. Am I audible? Hello. Can you hear me guys? Okay, there is some connectivity issue. Okay, please check now. Is it fine? Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, now last time guys quickly confirm. Can we continue now? Is it better? Okay, I will repeat this entire slide of McDowell. See, McDowell, you can see this was a beautiful downtrend, and then we got a big breakout. So here I was saying that on the day of breakout, okay, on the day of breakout, if price is already up by 8 to 10 percentage, okay, do not take any trade on that day, because 8 to 10% in one single session is overextended move for counter. You can cross check this fact from McDowell. On this day, McDowell opened at 600, went up above 660, and finally it closed nearby 660. So this move was from exactly from 600 to 660. This was 10 percentage move. 10 percentage in single session is overextended move. And see, we do not get any follow up after that. So these all candles became baby candles, and this was big bullish candle as master candle. And finally here you can see we got breakout, and then we got one side move. So you can enter on this day, you can design bull call spread, or you can design bull put spread. Now currently you can cross check Godrej consumer price chart. A few days back we got 20% move in that counter, and there is no follow up after that. So Godrej consumer made a high of 892, and right now you can see the stock is trading somewhere close to 810, 820. So when Godrej consumer made a high of 892, it was already 20-22% move in single day. So no follow up after that. Let me show you one more example. See, this is Kotak Bank. Now Kotak Bank was facing this hurdle. This was resistance, or you can say supply zone. Price was not at all crossing this for 4 to 5 months. And finally it crossed with strong bullish candle on daily chart. On this day, Kotak Bank was up more than 10% in intraday. This happened on 27th October when Kotak Bank released good quarterly numbers and stock was up more than 10%. See, no follow up after that. I can see 5 baby candles. So this is called as time correction. See, price wise, there is no correction going on. Time wise correction is going on. And finally, you can see we got breakout and then one side move after that. So this, big bullish candle again became master candle. And these are the 5 baby candles. So here you can design bull call spread or bull put spread. This is Reliance. You can see Reliance is in uptrend, a beautiful uptrend. And look at this candle. Okay, this is master candle. And then sideways. And finally, we got breakout and uptrend resume. So point to note down here is when you are getting trade in the direction of ongoing trend, okay, always go for it. Very high chances this trade will work in your favor because this is giving me a long trade and already there is bullish momentum. But if you are getting a short trade, okay, I will say avoid because short trade will be against the direction of trend. So probability will be very less, it will work in your way. The smartest thing as a trader we can do, we can always uh, trade in the direction of trend. Okay, Gaurav, how to find target in the same? We have discussed target initially. Master candle size will be your target. See, this is LT downtrend. Initially, it was downtrend. Master candle, then it went sideways, then breakdown, and after breakdown, you can see we got fall. In 4 sessions, this was 60-70 points fall in LT. Here you can enter as a bear put spread. You can design a bearish strategy using put option because support is taken out, so the view is bearish. We can go for bear put spread. So guys, this was all about master candle setup. Very easy setup, very easy to learn, easy to implement in live market. I like to summarize all important points for you. So if you wish to practice this setup in index or in stocks in intraday, okay, 2 things you need to remember. Point number 1, look for healthy consolidation. From morning till 2 p.m., if price is moving inside master candle, breakout, breakdown will work very well. Point number 2, you can note down gap up, gap down opening. If you are getting master candle setup after gap up, gap down opening, very high chances it can work in your favor. If you wish to do a swing trading using options, okay, you can look for master candle setup on daily time frame and you can design option strategy. 50 EMA, I guess you can go for 8 EMA. Once you got a breakout, you can follow 8 EMA or 10 EMA as your trailing stop loss and you can ride the entire trend. Okay, 50 EMA as a trailing stop loss is good for, it's good on daily time frame. In intraday, you can use 8 EMA or 10 EMA. Now, guys, let's say if you wish to learn, swing trading. Okay, we have a 4 days program on that called money making strategies. Now, generally, it is said that 80 to 85% of traders loss making trades will disappear if trader follow one simple rule. Trade only those stocks in which 20 moving average is upward sloping or downward sloping. See, if 20 moving average is upward sloping, means we are in uptrend. If 20 moving average is downward sloping, means trend is down. If 20 moving average is flat, means trend is sideways. We have designed 4 days program based on moving average and RSI. You can do swing trading. And fees to enroll for this program is just 1,000 rupees so that maximum traders can take advantage. Now, if you wish to learn option writing, okay, option writing, see, it's a very big skill. Once you master option writing skill, you can actually make more than what bank FD is offering to you. So we have a 4 days program on option writing from day 1 till day 4. See, day 1 we discuss Nifty intraday short straddle. Day 4 we discuss bank Nifty intraday short straddle using CPR. Day 2, day 3, this is for stocks. You can write option using very simple concept of gaps and RSI. So this is 4 days program. You will also get 2 months live market support. Okay, we will meet every Wednesday and Thursday and we will trade live. I will make you trade live if you enroll for option writing program. Again, the fees for this program is just 1,000 rupees. Swing trading, again 1,000 rupees. Now, if you are an option buyer, okay, we have a 4 days index trading program. So on day 1, you will learn how to trade bank Nifty in intraday. Day 2, you will learn option buying setup, intraday option buying setup. The best part is risk reward. Small risk you need to take, reward will be double. Day 3, option writing setup in bank Nifty. Now this is expiry special setup. Okay, we designed this setup on every Thursday in bank Nifty. Intraday option writing. Day 4, again intraday option buying for both Nifty, bank Nifty. So even guys, for this program the fees is 1,000 rupees. So every program is having a fees of 1,000. But if you are enrolling for all three, okay, today we are running an offer. The fees will be just 2,000. Okay, total you will get 12 sessions. You will learn total 12 setups with 2 months live market support. So money making strategies program for stocks if you wish to do swing trading in stocks. Option writing secrets if you wish to master option selling. Low risk means small stop loss. I am. See, this is option writing. Okay, in 4 days program, you will learn option buying. Okay, this is option selling and this is for option buying. Okay, you will get 2 months live market support with option writing secrets and weekend support session for money making strategies. So we will meet every Sunday to decide, which stocks we can trade in coming week. So weekend support is available if you enroll for money making strategy program. If you enroll for option writing, okay, 2 months live market support. So all three programs, 4 days, total 12 days, 12 setups, 12 sessions. Yes, 4 days are enough, Gaurav, because see, setups are very simple, very easy to learn. And in fact, even if you follow any one or two setup, you can still make, consistent profit. So you will learn 4 setups, but you need to master one or two at a time. So take for example, in option writing secret, if you master only Nifty intraday short straddle, that's enough to make, consistent profit uh, every week from market. This setup is having, accuracy of 76 percentage, 76. So we will make you trade live every Wednesday, every Thursday. Okay, we trade Nifty short straddle every Wednesday and Thursday, just 2 days in a week. Yes, Debashish sir, definitely you can call me, not a problem. Option writing need huge capital. Okay, Mr. Ayan, can I know according to you how much capital is needed? If you have idea, you can share with me. 5 to 6 lakhs. No, not at all. I am. See, we will do option selling in intraday. Okay, in Nifty index, 40,000 is sufficient to do option selling. See, you need to take uh, margin benefit. So, how to take margin benefit? Okay, you will learn in this session. So, option selling do not require huge capital. 40,000 for one lot is enough in intraday if you are trading in Nifty. Now let me show you guys some live trades which we have taken with our participants. Now you can notice, one common point in every slide, which I will share with you. See, this is 12th May. On 12th May, what we did, we sold 14,750 put, 14,750 call. So this was the intraday straddle. And look at the overall profit we made in this strategy. Approx 2000 rupees, 1900 we made. Okay, this is the trade done by our participant after learning this setup. See, to get margin benefit, what we have done, we have bought deep OTM option. So 14,400 put option, you can see we have bought, and 15,250 call option we have bought just to get margin benefit. So these are the two buying legs just to get margin benefit. But this is the main strategy. 14,750 put sold, 14,750 call sold. Now this is another participant. You can see same strikes, sold 14,750 put, sold 14,750 call. And look at the profit in intraday, 1,600 rupees. Okay, margin required 40,000. On 40,000, if you are making 1,600 in intraday, it's like 4% gain. Yes, Gaurav, you can see all straddles I am showing to you. This is another participant, 6th May. On this day, we sold 14,650 call, 14,650 put. And again, you can see the profit is 2,000. Another participant, 14,650 put sold, 14,650 call sold, 1268 profit. Third participant, he made 2,100. See, 14,650 call sold, 14,650 put sold. So you can see every participant is doing, same trade. This is the one common point. So we will meet every Wednesday and Thursday and decide, which strike price we can go for. In straddle, three things are very important. At what time you are taking entry? What is your stop loss? And finally, at what time you will exit? All three things we have done back tested, and 76% is win rate. Sometimes we will definitely get loss making trade, but as a trader, you need to be mentally ready to accept those losses. You need to look at bigger picture. At the end of year, see, this system has potential to double your trading capital within 1 year. This is so powerful. Okay, we will share backtesting results with you. So fourth participant, you can see he made 1,400 in intraday. These are the 5th May trades. On 5th May, we sold 14,550 call and put. Profit somewhere close to 1,400. See, another participant, 14,550 call and put sold, 1,800 profit. Third participant, 14,550 call and put sold, again 1,800 profit. So every Wednesday, every Thursday, just 2 days in a week, in a month, you will get approx 8 trades, and 76% is win rate as per backtesting. 28th April trade, we sold 14,750 call input, profit 1,700. So between 1,500 to 2,000 you can make from this one setup every Wednesday, every Thursday. 29th April, 15,000 call and put we sold, 1166 profit. 15,000 call and put sold with 2 lots. This participant made 3,200 profit. Third participant, he made 1,020. See, fourth participant, 15,000 call and put sold, he made 2,500. Any doubts, any queries, guys? If you have, you can ask in chat box. I will answer. So those who are interested, I will request, guys, you can enroll today. Okay, we are starting batches from tomorrow. 9 p.m. will be the timing. Okay, 7 p.m., 9 p.m. These are the 2 slots available. The duration of every session will be maximum 1 hour. You will also get recordings and PPTs with lifetime access. Once you enroll, you can ping me on this number. I will confirm your payment at the same time, and you will get recording access immediately. From tomorrow, okay, we will meet live on Zoom meeting for live sessions. 7 p.m., 9 p.m. Okay, these are the 2 slots available. For money making program, you will get support sessions on every Sunday. For option writing secrets, you will get live market support every Wednesday, every Thursday. And all setups are really simple to understand, easy to implement. And with option writing, you can make, passive income. You don't have to be active in front of screen all long, from 9:15 to 3:30. Just you need to take 5 to 10 minutes to execute the order in morning and stay away from screen. Okay, so this is for swing trading in stocks. Okay, this is option writing. And finally, this is for option buying. See, day one, day two, day four, you will learn buying setup. Only on day three, you will learn one option selling setup, expiry special for Bank Nifty. Okay, the fees is just 1,000 rupees, so that every trader can take advantage. And if you enroll for all three today, the fees is just 2,000 with 2 months live market support. So new batches, guys, we are starting from tomorrow, 7 p.m., 9 p.m. These are the two slots available. You can book your spot if you are interested to join. Any doubts, any queries, guys, please ask in chat box. See, Debashish, if you know what options are, okay, concept of call option, put option, option moneyness, in the money, OTM, ATM. If you know all these things, you can join, not a problem. Okay, then first, what you can do, you can first learn option basics. Okay, once you understand, option basics, you can go for option writing. So we will share the playlist with you where you can learn option basics. There won't be any charges for that. Okay, I will share the playlist on your WhatsApp. You can learn option basics. Yes, Mr. Debashish. So I will share option basic playlist. So 8 to 9 videos will be there. You can understand the concept very well. And then you can go for option writing too. If you know technical analysis basic, you can go for money making strategies program. Okay, this will be very simple based on moving average and RSI. So you will able to understand this program. very easily if you know technical analysis basics. If you know what moving averages are, what is RSI, you can go for money making strategies program. So you can enroll for all three for rupees 2000. Okay, we will share option basics playlist with you. Recording PPTs will be given to you, so you can rewatch session again and again till the time you understand. Okay, Rahul, Mr. Rahul, see, you can take screenshot. So this is 4 days money making strategies program. This is for those who wish to learn, swing trading in stocks based on moving average and RSI. So day one, day two, day three, day four, 4 days program. This is option writing secrets. You can take screenshot if you wish to learn option writing skill. So this is the 4 days program. Day one, we cover Nifty intraday short strategy. Day four, we cover Bank Nifty intraday short strategy using CPR indicator. Day two, day three, we cover option writing in stocks, okay, using concept of gaps and RSI. So this is 4 days program if you wish to learn option writing. If you are an option buyer, then this is 4 days index trading program. Day one, we discuss how you can trade Bank Nifty in intraday. Day two, intraday option buying for both indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty with risk reward 1:2. Day three, option writing. This is expiry special setup for Bank Nifty. Day four, intraday option buying for Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay, yes, I am Patel. So this potential trade magazine is available on Maxter. So these are the three programs we are offering. If you enroll for all three, the fees is just 2000 rupees with 2 months live market support for option writing. And every weekend, every Sunday, you will get support for money making strategies. Yes, Debashish sir, not a problem. Guys, I will also share the recording of this session with all of you. In case you do not get recording, you can ping me on this number. I will share with you. Okay, in some time on your WhatsApp. So guys, I'm ending this meeting now. If anyone is still interested, I will request you can take screenshot. You can enroll for this program. We are starting new batches from tomorrow, 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. slot available. Okay, you will get recording and PPT access once you enroll. Okay, Mr. Rahul, we are starting from tomorrow. 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. slots are available. So you can join late evening batch even if you are not available in daytime. You can go for late evening batch. Yes, maximum duration of every session will be 1 hour. So if you enroll for all three programs, guys, you will get total 12 sessions. Okay, you will learn total 12 setups, 12 sessions. Okay. Thank you guys for taking out time and connecting live. Thank you very much.